It's very convenient to order on the same day and use it on the same day. The exhibition hall is small but the design is very good. I noticed that the garage opposite was also painted with patterns so that when shining from the inside out, the iron sheet would not be illuminated. Have intentions. Tickets for 2 people can be discounted at 400 yuan, and there's also a box of korobayaki. The on-site price of korobayaki is 360 yuan. If you want to buy, you can use coupons, which is more cost-effective. Salty food tastes okay. The sweets at the souvenir shop are all on the sweet side. I really don't know what to buy, but there is ice cream on the second floor. You can drink drinks and eat salty food on the first floor. The price of this plan is not cheap, but the children are very happy to experience the yukata experience, but 350 is too expensive for just a piece of clothing and hair accessories. Add 50 to clogs, 100 to socks, 50 to fans, and 650 to jump for the whole set! Exclamation mark! Exclamation mark! However, the dressing staff is very enthusiastic and careful, and will help the children to make their hair beautiful, but the charge lady at the yukata experience counter is a little impatient. Maybe there are too many people? If the ticket design can be 50 yuan to be used as a yukata, I think it will be more attractive to experience, because the scene is very easy to shoot. Remember to return the yukata after wearing the yukata. We only found out that there is another outdoor area that is very good to take pictures after we return the yukata. Cry. This time, I bought a double ticket plus a 9-piece korobayaki gift box on Klook that day. In addition to dorayaki, there is also korobayaki, which is more affordable than buying on site. The overall planning and environment of Kirigakure Castle are very comfortable. There is air conditioning, and you can get discounts on rich matcha ice cream and dingo, which gives you a very Japanese atmosphere. The holiday handicraft is Ocean Star, which is not recommended. It is composed of dorayaki plus fresh cream plus Sprite jelly plus decorative icing. If you don't like fresh cream, it is not recommended and it needs to be refrigerated. If you have other itineraries, very inconvenient. When I came to the souvenir Kirigakure city again, I bought a ticket for 2 people on the road, which is economical and affordable. There was another person who was able to fully offset the fee of 200 yuan, which was great. There is also a large parking lot. Free parking for 3 hours. There are a lot of goods inside, but I'd better eat less sweets because I'm afraid of getting fat. Now I am accustomed to looking for discounts on Tulu when traveling. Awesome! Book your tickets on Klook, and you can use them immediately upon booking on the same day, which is super convenient. Although Taoyuan City is a tourist factory, the overall planning and environment are very comfortable and there is air conditioning in the room. It is a good choice for the whole family to travel on hot days. Everyone had a good time eating and having fun. Taoyuan is a great indoor place. If you buy a ticket for 2 people, you can get Japanese snacks and a 50 yuan discount on McDonald's. It's a great deal. The tickets are also discounted, so it's really worth it. There are hundreds of varieties of snacks inside, and there's also a fish pond where children can feed the fish. It was a very special experience to meet the one and drill again this time. The styles of yukata are quite diverse, and there are many shoe sizes. There are also socks to wear, so you don't have to worry about hygiene. There are free lockers for wearing yukata, just press your ID and you can use them. There are many photo taking spots on site, and the elders were very happy to take photos.